Okay, here's some interesting bowling ideas for grades K to 8. You can use this in a bowling unit or when you're doing rolling, and you'll need a bunch of different equipment, including those plastic pins, or you can use cones if you don't have them. So here we're going to see 4 different ideas, and hopefully you can use something here. First one I like to call obstacle bowling. So you're going to set up your cones or your pins, and you'll have your first person in your group step up to bowl. You can have different groups throughout the gym, and you'll place an obstacle. So you can use a blue mat or whatever you have to create some sort of an obstacle that they have to dodge instead of just rolling. So this is a little bit more advanced, and yeah, so that's obstacle bowling. Next one is blindfold bowling. So again, you'll set up your pins, and you'll have your group or first person in line up and ready to bowl, and they'll have to wear a blindfold. So maybe if they're in a small group, their teammates can kind of help direct them in the right way. And when they're blindfolded, they actually get a good sense of their motion when they can't see. They get to feel how the motion works. So that's another idea there. And the next one is scooter bowling. This is a little bit of fun here. You set up the pins, and instead of a bowling ball, you have one of the students sit on one of the scooters. Of course, they have to do it safely. And you'll have a couple others who will push that student, so they can do a little bit of a run up if they want, and then release at some point and push the student into the pins, and they take turns doing that. The last idea today is something called team bowl, where you have a little section and you divide it in halves. So you have 2 teams against each other. Just set up one pin, and you can have a goalie for each team and a couple other roamers, and throw a few balls in there, and basically they have to stay on their own half, and they keep rolling the ball, try and knock over the other team's pin. And that's it for this idea. Hopefully you can use something here.